The mechanism actually doesn't even really matter. It's an insider share sale that sets this valuation of $500 billion. But it feels like just yesterday that we broke the story on the last $300 billion valuation. Tell us about the jump. Tell us about what we're hearing from sources is going on.
Yeah, I mean, it's a significant jump in valuation, more than 2/3 of the last price tag. The last round that we reported on, finalized in March, led by SoftBank. Since then, we've seen strong, user and revenue growth as we've reported. But again, this price tag would put OpenAI in a new league as one of the most highly valued private companies out there if this sale were to go through.
Extraordinary how it eclipses even the owner of TikTok over in China, and well ahead of, and close second is sort of SpaceX here in the US. What's interesting is we're getting so many updates to the product itself as well, Shirin. We're seeing how they're getting in offering ChatGPT to federal offerings with just $1. They're trying to open source a little bit more. Does this just build up the idea that this is going to be the winner?
I think it's still too early to say in the AGI race who, if anyone, will be the definitive winner. But I will say this has always been a rapidly moving field, and I think the past few months have been especially fast. We are seeing new releases from OpenAI this week. We have the open source model that just dropped, and it's widely expected that their more major model update, GPT-5, is coming soon. On top of that, if you look to the left and right, we have Anthropic also released an update to its model, also in talks to have a new round of funding that would more than double their past valuation from just earlier this year. So I think this is really a sign that the AI market continues to grow, and it does raise questions about, are these valuations justified? And I think that depends on how bullish you are on the Gen AI market as a whole.
Shirin, reading your report, there's a lot of detail here. I mean, for one important point is we understand why OpenAI is doing this, right, with the secondary. The timing is because of talent wars, and Sam Altman has this workforce that he has to keep happy.
Right. So as we reported, one of the reasons why OpenAI wants to do this secondary share sale, why it makes sense, is that it gives employees an opportunity to essentially cash out. If you're working at Meta, which is aggressively, by the way, there's this fierce talent war going on right now, right? And Meta has poached several prominent OpenAI employees. If they want to retain these employees, people want to be able to liquidate their shares, and this provides current and former employees a potential way to do that.